I started. Give me a few seconds here. We'll play our theme song. Here comes the theme song. Huh? I've improved my sound setup significantly. So you may actually hear it this time. Obviously, the first thing I'll do is flub it. We go into okay, well, so today, oh, hey, look at that. That's what we're looking at today. There we're looking at testing. What did I say I was working on in the title? So today, oh, no, that is not what I'm working on today. Working on multiplayer implementation and testing. Okay. So game working. That's the state we're in right now. Game working. And we're getting, we go all the way into our config here. We go default game.ini. This is auth provider is Steam. Dev app ID, default platform service, native platform service. Okay, yes. So at this point, I should be using Steam networking and using Steam networking, ready to go out the gate. Bonk. I can always find that again. Today is the day that we bite the, that we get all. Today is the day that we work very hard to get everything. Close out Obsidian for a little bit. We close out all of these other things because today is the day that, what? Yes, don't ask me if I want to leave the thing. You do autosaves, I know it. And stage all. I are committing. Push. One more. I need to commit on one more too. While my build is going on, how are we doing on this build? This build is building. Build selected projects, okay. And this should be just a massive commit because it's, wow, okay. Mostly working multiplayer. Bin push, here we go. All right. Built, waiting for UE launch. Okay, here we go. What are we doing? Build succeeded. UE launching. UE at 70%. I guess I should start UE before I start streaming, but one of the reasons that I enjoy streaming, or that I do keep streaming, despite having very few viewers, it's because it helps me stay focused as I work solo. I'm not naturally the kind of person you think would stream. I'm very, I mean, I guess I would be very comfortable streaming games, me playing games, but I don't do that very much anymore. I work very hard not to, because I'm very intense about it. And so here we are. Okay, and we will package this for Windows. Okay, I need to go here. This is GPT-4. This is GPT. Let's check my various quotas. Okay, so codex usage and Claude usage. Okay, so my codex usage, how much do I have and how much Claude do I have? I pay for both of them. Oh, wow. My weekly usage, I haven't used it enough to... Okay, well, start using codex right now. And Claude, wow. Man, I'm not using those enough. All right. Or I'm not doing things that are really heavy on those, so it's great. I have all the space in the world. Great. Please, I will need to do some migrations in the near future, like tonight, as soon as I stop streaming. Please start. This involves several tasks. One, export of most of the meaningful tables in the local database, or upload to an AWS instance. Yeah, okay, well that's actually two. One, smoke testing locally of everything. Most of the meaningful tables in the local database for upload to an AWS instance. This is a major, this is an annoying undertaking, because I always forget. PG SQL commands. 3. 1.5. Clean up the local PG SQL database of players, rounds, and the like. Update, upload to AWS for cleaning of the remote AWS instance, AWS PG-SQL instance, then replacement of the entire database of the database data and update of the schema with what's on the local. 5, replacement of current fast API. Wait, what did I move from? Source real one more oh, I need to test a full game before I do this. That's a pie. Let's open that. Uh-oh. With a fast API on. Oh, hey, look, I packaged it. That's fine. Great. My packaging is complete. Fantastic. All right. Oh, this is not where I want to be. I want to be, ooh, hey. Yeah, I don't know what's goofing up there. Recent no, cancel. File, recent levels, multiplayer gameplay, great. And then let's see what this is doing. You gotta, fine. Budgie, sure. Gaudy, definitely a word. Okay, and like that. Okay, great. Ready for next round. Psychology? Sure, let's just go with that. Let's see if it gives me anything exciting and interesting. Loyalemia, mental state characterized. Is it a word? Maybe, but Limoy, Leomioma. Okay, maybe. Okay, so maybe, I'm not sure. Okay. Hey, all right. Yeah, okay. That's problematic, is that this is not, that calculation needs to change. Oh no, that's not good. Okay, well, that I'm gonna, okay, so that's just on my to-do list. So I can't make that change immediately. I could, but it would just be very difficult for me to put in time. Okay, the game, the score change. It's some real work. It should take the leader from the last round and display the difference gain / loss against that leader. Right now, little take the highest score. Like that. Okay, that's a simple math problem that I need data for. Ooh. I'll find out if I have data for it. A Lusinian. Let's go with a zoology. Yeah, there we go. Zoology. I wanted to have some sort of zoological intention, right? Sure. Okay. Dizzying. Aldazin? No. Lindy Hop. I know what a Lindy Hop is. Wow. Okay. Everybody but me was telling the truth. And I got I wonder why. Oh, because some of them why? We're gonna just assume that scoring is correct. I don't know. This is well. That's really a problem that I look at that and I'm like, that doesn't make any sense, because somebody else who's a player will look at that and say, that really makes no sense. And those numbers get really big when you have Z's. Okay, well, Isamine. Let's see here. Isamine is a chemistry term. Chemistry. Yeah. Decim. Okay. Well, I can win by lying to the computer, basically. Let's see here. Well, that's no fun. Because it means that. All right, pause. I'm kind of I like that the spinning and the dancing ladders, but all right. The question is, where is my in-game screen? Because we're getting good results on the rest, but the in-game screen is not showing up. And the in-game screen should be showing up. Controller. So let's go with the multiplayer controller. Multiplayer controller. Oh my. All right. So what to do here? Can you build scripts and tooling? And start doing the PG SQL export. That will take a long time. I will need to move the PG export out. Project directory somewhere or ignore it. Okay. Out of the project directory somewhere or ignoring it, obviously. Okay, great. Yeah, that covers that. And from Claude, fine. Yep. Wait, 3. Okay, fine, good. I've got a problem in the round results. The results. Where are the round results? Get round results complete, and then this is actually the wrong. This is the wrong script blueprint for that. It's fine. GUI. Oh, and it's not. Okay, so it's in score display row. Score line item right here. What? No. Nope, that's not it. Yeah, okay, it's got no references. It's fine. Okay, great. Score display row. What? No. Player score row. There we go. I wonder if I can delete this score display row. No. Okay. Let's see here. So this is round change. So round change. Top current round score. It's currently current score, and it probably should return top previous score. I'm looking to give players sense of progress, either widening or catching up, taking the player in the lead. Math I have available is top current score. means that I generally end up with a number for everyone except one. Suggestions, changes, better math to okay. Wow. Okay. Let's see here. PG-17. Okay, so out of wait. Do not use the default export location. That's probably on the C drive, and that's mostly full and slow at the same time. Please continue, but use a directory in the project that is not saved to get. Ugh. Okay, well, I'm glad I caught that one. All right. Okay, so okay, so okay, so this is in the result apparently. Great. Let's see here. Set values for round player results. Find usages. Find references. The name in all blueprints. Great. Round scoreboard panel calls this. I called it two different places. That's a little strange. Let's see here. Huh. Okay. Sure. Okay. Ugh. Am I gonna do a bubble sort? Get round. Oh. Okay, so that's useful. Um, but these are game scoreboard, and I don't want the game scoreboard right now. I want the round scoreboard. Okay, so that's what's. Oh, that's the difference. Okay. Um, um, okay, I will be right back. Oh, things at once. Return. Let's see here. Let's see what. Okay, so this we want to say yes to all, and then this. Okay. um. Can you look through GitHub and tell me what the okay. Are there any major installation issues I will have with crontab, system D, or other infrastructure maintenance, uptime, auto run processes, when switching the new Python backend out with a from something Flask API based to current fast API based architecture. Yeah, give me build out a full set of instructions and put them into a text file so that I will be um, 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 uh, If I just run codecs from the command line, I can remote install if I SCP in somehow or something. It would be nice to have help with interpreting all minor errors I expect. Like the typo there. Okay, so this needs okay, so I can just close this on out. Take this and move it over here. So next time I need it, it pops up in the right window. Close on out of this. Save selected, sure. And you need to be a little bug to click on. All right, well. Okay. Okay, that works fine. Okay. Ooh. All right, no, I want to go back to my terminal. Code your local machine has SSH SCP. Great, it can reach the remote host. The key auth method is available, and the remote steps can be done non-interactively. Pretty workable setups. I can fill in the real host user service names, generate the exact system D unit, and nginx config for your server. Run SCP SSH commands from your machine. Interpret journal CTL nginx, UVcorn, and PG restore errors as they happen. The practical next step is to give me full access to your server, you insane human being. Oof. Oh. Okay. For security purposes, is it smarter to generate a key specifically for this exercise and delete it afterwards? No impact on my normal admin key. Yeah, okay. So I can do this, be insane for just a little while, and then come back. Great. All right. That's the system administrator approach to this. The responsible system administrator that I once was. The responsible system administrator that I once was. So these background images are things I made. Huh? I made 250 glass objects like that. They're very pretty. The images themselves are, I still like them a lot. Okay, so okay, so we get here, we go to the graph, we go to display next round button, we go to add round scores to panel. Then add round scores to panel. We also need previous round top score. And then we come here. Now we need an extra input to this function in general, and that is top previous round score. Round scoreboard needs previous round top score, goes here, moves down here, makes it organized. This blueprints are such spaghetti. I really need to figure out how to do without them. Okay, so this here we get previous gap, current gap. Okay, so this generates current round score, top current round score, subtract this previous round total, and now we do this and subtract that from that, and we put that there. So so we get previous gap. Progress is previous gap minus current gap, so it's the other way around. So previous gap goes here and current gap goes here. Let's see here. Okay, let's see what that looks like in game. Oh, nope. Okay. All right. I should be playing it more as a full game. Steam not available in this process. Steam user, Steam utils not null or not logged in. Oh, of course not. Okay, that's fine. Because I need to be playing in the I need to be playing it as a it can't work that way this way. Okay, fine. Why? Okay, fine. Let's try it again, see if it does it again. No. Okay. Okay. Um, Shaley. Geology. All right, so Shaley. It's like shale. Sure. Here we go. And describing a sedimentary rock characterized by its fine-grained texture and layered appearance. Totally reasonable word. All right, eyewash, heydays, sure. Eyewash again. Sheathy. I mean, all of these sound like they might be real words. Let's go with it. 1, 2, not Shaley, but all the other words. Okay, so this is not working like it said it should, which is interesting because I asked it for something. It gave me a very specific response and result. Let's see what we're going to go here. Okay, we're going to step through the setup of all of this because I want to know exactly what it's passing here. Okay. Socks in. Oh, what did I do? Cues. All right, well, we'll just go with that. Plural of Q. X quiz, no. 6x. No. Maybe? X-Quez, a phenomenon observed in climate studies, particularly when assessing the interrelationship of variables affecting weather patterns. I guess it's long, probably fake. Okay. Let's see. So our current round top score is 59,814. Previous round is 0. Fine. Q's CX. Huh. Okay. Sexax is not a word. Go figure. All right. So we've got a problem in that the round change should be highly negative for me here. It should not be positive. So this math is messed up here in the score row because this is saying previous round total, top previous round score. So we subtract previous round total minus top previous round score. Okay. And then we also subtract current round score. Oh, there our problem is. Okay. Found it. Great. This connection is not current round total. Current round total should go here, and current round, top current round score should go here. Top previous round score minus this. No, but that's reversed. Top previous round score. This is A minus B. So A should be, so it should be previous round total minus top previous round total. So if you're at the top, you've got a 0. And then this should also be current round total minus top current round total. Great. So that's that should be like, if you're winning, you should have a 0 here. Right? No. Yeah, if you're winning, you should have a 0, but you should have a number. Previous gap minus current gap. Oh my God. That's annoying. Top current round score. Oh, is there a previous round total that I'm supposed to be looking at? Total. That might actually be. Top previous round total. Okay, previous. This needs to be renamed. Previous round top total. It also needs to be renamed as the input of this thing. Just because me being confused is obviously really effective for all of this working right. And then, so we have top current round score, we have top previous round total. And we say, oh, this is, so I have options here. So I can use either score or total. And it's looking, and it suggests that I use previous gap is previous round total. Okay, so I have previous round total goes here, and I use current round score here. Okay, let's use current round total minus. Man, spaghetti drives me insane. All right, so we'll try it one more time. You're broken. I don't know why. Novian. And it is a zoology term. Protozoology. What is protozoology? Classification of protozoa known for their unique reproductive cycles. What? novo. Yeah, that's new. Both, an archaic term meaning above or higher, rarely used in modern English. I don't think so. Banav, a term used in some dialects to refer to a good or virtuous person. No. Bonvo, a casual interaction or exchange of pleasantries often occurring between friends or acquaintances. Shh. No. No. Okay. Okay, so top current round score. Let's go into the score row. Let's see what this actually does. Okay, so top current round score is 62,943. Okay, that's both of those are reasonable. Now what we do is player round score, and then the round change is no debug data, no debug data. Well, that's helpful. I'm really glad you filled in all the things for this. Okay. 0. Ugh. Okay, top current round score. Okay, so that's the first one. Top current round score minus, okay, so this is somebody that went down 30,000. Okay. 3 players got taken to the cleaners by dev steam dev token. Okay. As dev steam dev token, I am very proud of my definition that fooled AIs that basically use random chance. Okay, okay. Moratoria. What? Metric? I don't think so. Yes, Altamira is something. That is a proper noun, though. I should remove that from the dictionary. No. Okay. Let's see how we're doing on the whole. All right. So, so I okay, so I win the round again. Or I'm still ahead. But this is definitely not the way it needs to work, because the total score the round change number one, it needs to be ordered by total score. Which is not hard to do because it doesn't look right when I do it by and get round results. Okay, so we need to get round results sorted by total score. I mean, that's not a hard function to write. It's just, okay, can you build me get round results sorted by total score? Function, well, please. and I need this to be previous gap minus current gap. Okay, so I use the total current round total, and I want the current round score so that you get a positive number in the case that you are you get a positive number in the case that you are going ahead, and if you're still ahead but you've lost a bunch, you end up with yeah. Okay, great. Done. Great. So it does. What kind of sort did it use, I wonder? Oh, sorted results up. Sort B ascending. Okay, so it just does. It uses the built-in sort. I think. Well, is that using a built-in sort function? Or macro in C++? I don't understand. It's a lambda passed into CSO, which is a built-in sort of method. Okay, breaking it down. Oop. Hey. Okay. Breaking it down. Educate myself. Sort. Bum, bum, bum. Sort B ascending. Const A. Player results B. Two elements being the characters. Okay. So why only two? How exactly does that work? I've not used C++ and functions before. Okay. Const refs. Oh, okay. It returns a bool. Okay. So lambda is an honest function defined in line. Its syntax is three parts: capture, parameters, body. Capture, B ascending. Anything in the square parts get captured, copied in the lambda, so it can use the variables for the surrounding scope. Without capturing, lambda can only see its own parameters. B ascending copies the value of B ascending at the moment the lambda is created. You can also capture by reference with B ascending, everything with equal by value or ampersand by reference. Fine. Just like the regular function sort, we'll call this repeatedly passing pairs of elements. It's true if A should come B. Sort uses that to order the array. It's the same as a contractor as a comparator in any language. So this return B ascending is exactly what I think send is right where it's used in B ascending automatic. It captures B as okay, fine. Okay. Okay, so it's using the internal sort, but they want to be ascending and descending to be set up. Okay, fine. Here we go. File, recent levels, multiplayer gameplay. Asset editors. Everybody gone. Oh well. Not shiny entertainment. All right, studio. And here we go. We need a graph. We need that graph to say current round score instead of current round. Current round score. Top current round score. And we want this round scoreboard to give me a get round player. So get round player results quote sorted by total score, because current round score just was hard to understand. And we delete that. Now here we go. First run should just shoot me through. Hey, all right, there we go. Manica. That is a the art design is perfect. Okay. Yeah. And here we go. Intricate patterns of vibrant colors. Menak. Sure. Minka. No. Inkman. Yes. Inkum. No. All right. Here we go. Okay, so this, we're just gonna... Okay, so I win the round again. Manic and Inkman. All right. Hey, I figured it out. I'm pretty good at this game, right? Oxyino. Japan. Oh, uh-oh. Cultural. Okay. No. Ulex, no. None of those are real words. Okay, let's see how it worked. But that's not at all what happened. Oh. Oh, it was winning. No, it wasn't winning. Huh. All right. Well, ChatGPT's codex is better at looking at the back end than okay. Let's just get a whole different. Okay, codex. I've gotten put together a system to display scores for the current round and give players a way to compare their progress to the leaders of the game. So in round scoreboard as a it's a gets total players. Oh, maybe that's correct. Maybe it's a head because no, because this is all wrong. For some reason, this shows the round score of negative 18,129, but that just doesn't compute. I bet, hold on. Oh, that's what it is. So the round scoreboard has the score row is taking probably previous round total. Okay. Previous round total minus previous round total. Okay. And then it's current round score minus top current round score, which should be 0. Cancel. Okay, so top previous round total, previous gap minus current gap. Okay, so this is previous round total. Oh, these are reversed. So it's okay, so we've got top previous round total. Man, I am bad at following instructions. Previous round total. Top previous round total. Minus previous round total. Fine. And then top current round score minus current round score. Okay, fine. Top current round score minus current round score. Fine. And then you subtract previous gap minus current gap. Okay, fine. That would lead to this making more sense, I think. Yeah, me, electrical engineer. Fucking dumbass. Nope. Right. PCA. Those are botany related. Botany zoology. The hell is botany zoology? Okay, well, that's asking that. We go like this. Go Cafic compound. Sure. Okay. No. Yes. No. Okay, so this, we're just gonna push the play button and see what happens. Okay. Oh, hey, all right, that looks great. Nobody doubted the Cafic's real definition, the real definition. Feast fierce. Great. One player got beguiled by my devto. Okay, so I lost a lot of points. All right, so quaba quaya. That is, when we come to Scrabble words, a gigantic scoring word. And we're going to make it a botany word again. Let's see, what do we got? A tropical forest, large fan-shaped leaves and vibrant flowers. A shrub native to damp highland regions, used in traditional herbal medicines. Squab. Okay, that's a word. Squabby. Sure. Baba. Yes. And quab. No. Okay. So, let's see if it. Round change 29,000. Right. Huh. Okay. So something very, very weird happens with the scoring algorithm. Score comparison. Made up something I knew a few bots missing would rocket into first, and it did exactly that. Only displayed hide gained 30,000 or so on the leader when in fact I'd gained 400,000 points. The other players certainly have the right numbers, but does this there seems to be something wrong with the algorithm. So the problem is that the current round score. What's because we look at this. All right. So the problem is that when we look at this, all right. So I've gained. My previous round score was 11,000, and this guy had 40. Okay. Now, what I want is to see that I have gained, or that I gained 400,000, and then this is zeroed. It gets weird because previous gap. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna go here. We're gonna stop this. We're gonna give round scoreboard. All right, so top current round score. It's top. Oh. Okay. No, cancel. Okay. Okay. So what I really need is a top current round total function as well, right? That's strange. Strange because I seem to only have access to top current round score and oh. Oh, right. Okay. So you did do it in the edit above. I just didn't recompile. I just didn't recompile. Okay. All right. Here we go. Back to compiling. Yay. All right. And we're waiting. Bum, 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 bum. Build succeeded. Okay, here we go. UE is coming up. Ah, it is up. File, recent levels, multiplayer gameplay. And reopen these. Dummy. Okay. And graph. Need our local variables. Current round top total. And in score row we have cool. Great. Top current round total, top previous round total. I just need to go back to the scoreboard. Get top round total. Okay. And go here. Start. And this is fine. Flex. No. Infix, yes. Fixin, no. Breakpoint. Okay, so I had a very, very bad round, which is great because that's what I was planning on, and Delapayal. And then this is a it's an art technique. Played, yes. Lady palm type, palm trim, sure. No, no. Okay. Man, I'm really excited to play with actual people. Previous minus current gap, right? And that makes perfect sense to me. So why is it absolutely not what I'm getting? I'm not getting previous gap. Okay, so we pass in current round total and previous round total. Make sure I'm passing them in the right order. Current round total, get previous round total. Okay. And then we got current round top total and previous round top total. Fine. Then we go into the player score row. We get previous round top, previous round total, current round total. Current round total goes current round score. Oh, okay. That explains that right there. Yep. Yep, yep. Yep. Okay. That is, oh, interesting. Huh, okay. No. No. Yes. No. No. Wow. Okay. So, create for next noun. Walk. Gahama. Walk. Cultural terminology. Sure. Wait a second. A unique rolling technique involving a double wreath white. Like all of these are cigar related. Why? Okay, mohawk, hookworm, hookworm, hickow. Okay. Okay, so round change. Again, it messed. It just doesn't. It just doesn't. Um. Okay. Okay. Current round total. Top current round total. Current round total. This is still not working. Get top previous round total minus previous round total. Okay, so I think what's happening, previous round total. And then I want to do subtract. What do I subtract? I subtract. Maybe it's that I need to be previous gap minus current gap. So previous round total, top previous round total minus previous round total, and then top current round total minus current round total is incorrect. Ugh, don't do that. Really? No. Okay, let's hope I will lose this round so that I can. Okay, so one player gets mine. Mine was very small, so it was okay. Drew Assassino. Let's say shouldn't type style. Let's go with that one. I'm too lazy to type something in right now. Okay. So, okay, that looks right. But let's get way the heck up there. Religion. Okay. So, right. So my round change is okay. So I need to ask the other one. Um, this specific metric. Okay. Interesting. So it exports the CSVs. It's trying to figure out why this doesn't work right. It's probably algorithmic. I'm not sure. Bum, 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 bum. Right. All right. Well, musical interlude. Well, what seemed like a perfectly logical algorithm to me gets critiqued. Okay, previous top total minus previous player total, current prev leader total minus current. Okay. Change in gap to the current leader. Previous top player total minus previous player total is current top total minus current player total. Right. Okay. Right. Okay, that makes sense. Can you just wire me in a function I can use to get the current previous total score of the previous leader? Yeah. Okay, you didn't rebuild. That's all right, because this build, I can just, this specific thing, I hope, I can just run an in-builder in-game thing, and I can go here to round scoreboard, and I can change this local variable to previous round leader, or current round previous leader top total. Current round previous leader total, and I can use this to be like get this, we gotta wait for a second here while my live coding happens. We'll see if I actually get this function. Let's look at the text here. Let's see what it's renamed. What it's named. Let's see here. So we've got get current total for previous leader. Okay, so get current total for previous leader is get, yeah, okay, so in the multiplayer results, and it just says get current total for previous leader. Great. And I use that 4 times, so it's not going to be a performance hit. Linked patch. Okay. And then here we see if we've got this. Let's see. We can go here. We can go get current total for previous leader. Hey, look at that. And we can say we can set that to current round previous leader total. And then we go here to the score row, and we actually, this does not need any changes. It just needs this to be renamed. Total. So now we have this in current round total, and this is current round previous leader total. Great. So now we have again. Oh, Manta, sure. Mana, yes. Munga, no. And Wang, no. Breakpoint, Mana, Manta, Munga was also true. Okay. Well, I don't want that to, I don't want to win. Okay, fine. Well, cut. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. Ooh. That's problematic in every way, shape, or form. Okay. That, yeah. All right. Well, okay. Geographical name. Oh, I know. What? Okay, something's wrong there. That is 1155 and the geographical name. That doesn't make any sense. That makes no sense at all. It's red. Mark it red. Come on. PG admin, come on. Go forth and load. Load. Cheering for it is not having much effect. Botany zoology is not a single standard discipline. It's like biology, naturalist, plant, animals, listing, classifier. Okay, well, while we're here, let's find out what botany zoology is. We're going to be in the category table anyway because I am slacker. I'm not a slacker. I'm just trying to figure out what the heck's going on here. Script, select script. where ID equals 1155, because whoop does not, I mean, that's not a, religious apparel. Well, number one, this needs to be religious apparel. No. How do I save this? Save results. No. No. Save data changes. Okay. Why? Why is that looking at, and what's geographical name? Geographical name or category name. 2457. So something on load is not setting that up right. Okay, well, we're gonna this is and that's definitely a bug. Let's see. Let's just the category list item, category picker, graph. Oh, let's move this here. Okay, let's move this here. Break this. And then this needs to be, and then we get this, get item at 0, and then hook that up, get and then get cast to Category list item object. Cast to category list item. That should work. And then take these two. That should fix that. Great. It might not. Okay. And then yeah. Uh-oh. That's broken. That's really broken. What's wrong? Holy shit. What did I just break? Everything? What happened there? Well, the category picker is undoubtedly what I just messed with the category picker. So it must be what caused that. So let's restart. We'll get the category picker up and running again. Yeah, the backend isn't dead. Okay, so it's category picker. Hello, Sticky Man. Right. I mean, that's interesting. % here. Okay, I will be going shortly. I appreciate all those who have come and watched my floundering. I hope the audio was better today than it has been in the past. I moved my microphone and tried to make it much more entertaining that way, by people being able to hear me. I know I tend to mumble. Four asset opener editors were open when I last closed. The editor was last closed. Okay, so what happened here was let's break this link. Oh, okay. So this had an infinite loop because current iteration, obviously, then it tried to fill the categories text box with a billion or whatever, or I tried to fill it with all 26,000 of the categories, which did not go well as it tried to do it and then put it in a UI object. Right. Okay. Well, that makes sense. Great. And now I can try this and see if cancel round scoreboard count. Okay, so this, let's see, it doesn't compile. Why does it not compile? Oh, well, break this link. And then we've got player score row. Player score row is trying to use current round previous year total, and what was the other one? One of the others was broken. Game scoreboard panel. Game scoreboard panel. Compile. Current round. Break this link. We're getting current round top score. Get top final score and get current. Oh, this is the game scoreboard panel. Oh, and this needs to be set values for game player results and top current round score. This is just not done yet. Okay, so I need to finish the before I release, I need to finish the game score screen. Okay, so there we go. Bold and italic, finish the game score screen. Uh, 8 minutes left. And let's see if we can actually get a gameplay. Oh no, we need a multiplayer. Sure, juice. No. Sure. All right. Yeah. Okay. Mazzolidud. It's Ugh. Really? Clinical. Who cares about any of this? All right, here we go. We got clinical. I'm just too tired. I'm really tired. So where category name like clinical. All right, here we go. Hey. Okay, let's try it properly. Yeah, okay. Clinical analysis. Okay. And save data changes. Okay. I'm running into spelling errors. I'm running into spelling errors in the categories table. Mainly incomplete, mainly complete words so far. Can you go in there and dig up any you find? Let me know what they are and fix them. Okay, and then Mozilla Dud is a clinical analysis thing. Okay, a test measuring patients with asthma. Fine. Muzzle. No. Zuludum, yes. Okay. Okay. That looks a lot better. Because, yeah. Well, winning. And then he just got beaten. And then we go, is it Pasiaqua? His. Peas? No. Kazimi? Sure. No. And ZK? No. Okay. Kazimi? Interesting. Okay. Okay, so I gained a ton of points that round. And okay. Yeah. Okay, that looks better. That's better. What's up, kiddo? All right. Oh. I thought I would get to multiplayer, so I stole the laptop that the children have for watching YouTube. 2 minutes until screen time starts, apparently. But all right, so I'm going to deliver that laptop and then come back and play around. Okay. Yes, honey. Is this what you're looking for? Yeah. Yes. Yeah. I'll be there in a second. Okay. Okay. Even though there's nobody watching, habits are habits. Try and build good ones, right? All right. Okay. Here. Take this over here. All right. Well, we're going to need to wrap this around. Right. Okay. Do it right. Nobody will see it. Right? Right. At least try. Oh. Okay. All right, and off we go. And thank you all who have tuned in. Have yourselves a nice evening.